Hi, Claudia here. Today we're gonna make the second book for the season to celebrate. Okay, I want to apologize for the last video. I think it was too long. I'm so sorry. So this time I have everything cut, supposedly, everything distressed, supposedly, and we're gonna proceed to decorate the book or the cover. And we're gonna do only the inside because the outside is gonna be attached to the next one. So let's try to, here what I did was I was thinking to make a gate, the one that you can close with thread, but then Claudia think and change her mind so easily that I said, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna make this one. I'm gonna make it this way, and I'm gonna have an extra pocket. And you will see what I'm talking about. Let me glue here. And I'm gonna use another magnet. I already put it on, so I'm not fighting with the tape. I clean my glue so I don't fight with my glue. I'm sorry, it wasn't my intention to keep you for too long. I was trying to do it with you, but sometimes things happen and they don't go like you would like to. So now we're gonna close this one. And this is supposed to be winter. Well, it is winter, but let's put it in the right spot because we don't have too much to play. Let's glue this one. Okay. And now, so we're gonna have a pocket in a pocket. This one is gonna be a little pocket. Isn't that cute? Okay, so this is the second thing that we're gonna put there. And let's add some And I'm going to add it here. Oops, 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 oops. So how you doing? How was your week? We are working on our issue from the other day. You know, sometimes you work in a company for so long and you feel like almost it's your company, but they don't feel the same. So you get surprises that usually we don't like it, but hey, we cannot do anything about it, and we are not gonna worry about it neither. In life is everything is based on moving on. So now we're gonna add some glue here. And you know, let me tell you one thing. You saw me going around with this, and I'm gonna tell you why. Sometimes when you distress, it's like the ink won't let you glue stuff the way that you want it. So I was so excited inking everything that I didn't think about that. So now we have this one, they open like this. We have a pocket here. We have a pocket here. It closes with the magnet. And I want to add, these are the ones that we made the other day. I don't know if I should put this one here. And so we have a double pocket, and I can put this one. What do you think? It looks good, eh? We have 1 pocket, 2 pocket, 3 pocket, 4 pocket. Because otherwise, I would like to leave this one like this so you can open and write. Because if I put this one here, when you open to write, I don't know how it's gonna work. But if I leave it here, that's what I'm going to do. This one has 1 pocket here, and we're gonna put the glue here, here, and here, and I'm gonna attach to this one. And this pocket, I made it like a week or 2 weeks before, so you can check. All of them has the same name. You know, all of them says season to celebrate, and you will see the 2 on the cover. So and this one we can put something here maybe, and even if you open it, it's not gonna, but something flat, that's what I meant, something straight, not flat. uh, you see, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, let me see, how big is this, because it's all crooked, but we're gonna fix it right now. And make sure that is straight. From one side and from the other. Oops. Hello, Claudia. Let's see. It looked like more or less in the center. You know, sometimes you have a plan to do the project, and suddenly your mind betrayed you on doing something different. But if it comes beautiful, what's the problem, right? So let's put some glue here. And you know, we never have enough pocket. Put it very low. We're gonna put this one here, so when you open you can write, because it's a pocket. You take out whatever you put it in and you can pull it down and write. And what I'm going to do is to go a little bit lower and mark, so I know where I want to put it. And of course, this one is going to be another pocket. Sorry if you can see my head. I'm trying to put it as straight as I can. And so here you have it. You have here, let me get a piece of paper. You have a pocket here. This one pull down. You have a pocket here. You have a pocket here. You move to the other side and you have a pocket here, a pocket here. You open it. There is a pocket here and there is a pocket here. So this is all for today. Let me show you. Sorry. So this is one from today. This is one from the other day. And we have a pocket, extra pocket. We close. This one open. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. Okay. So this is it for today. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you make it. You don't have to buy the paper. I don't have any code. I just like the collection. But you can do it, with any other kind of paper, just for books to put it together. And thank you for keeping me company. Leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, consider do it. I will love to have you as one of my followers, and I really appreciate all your help. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.